How to link a YouTube video to an Instagram post just from your YouTube account or on your Instagram. As you can see on home screen, this is my Instagram account here, and I will click on create option to create a post or a video on my account. So let me just choose that if I want to upload this photo as my post on my Instagram account, I will simply select it and then click on next option to upload it. So now this is an option to add a caption or write a caption here where I simply have to post or attach a YouTube video link to it. Now let's come on the YouTube home page. That is my YouTube home profile. And what if I want to copy simply the YouTube videos link to my Instagram post? To copy the link, you have to click on the video and then click on the share and then copy the video URL. Now again go to the Instagram page where you were just uploading your picture, and in the caption option you have to copy your YouTube video link and then click on the share option to share this profile as a post on your Instagram. This is how you can link these two. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to the channel.